Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Damn Yankees Vinyl is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after pieces of music memorabilia for any true rock and roll enthusiast, capturing the raw energy and anthemic power of a band that defined a generation with hits like High Enough and Come Again. Number 5. Moonlight Maker's Sweet Dreams Cheese Kitchen Towels. Add a touch of humor and artisan craftsmanship to your kitchen. These decorative towels feature witty cheese puns, turning everyday meal prep into moments of joy and sparking conversations. Crafted from recycled cotton and printed with non-toxic ink, these eco-friendly dish towels are safe for food prep and highly absorbent. They're a perfect choice for conscious homes. More than just a drying tool, these multi-purpose towels can be used for wiping counters, covering dough, or as stylish decorative accents. Their generous size adapts to countless household tasks. Looking for a unique housewarming or birthday gift? Their blend of humor, quality, and practicality makes them ideal for bakers, homeowners, or anyone who appreciates clever design. These fun towels become more absorbent with each wash and maintain their vibrant appearance. The color-fast printing ensures they'll be a lasting addition to your kitchen. Brighten your kitchen with this charming "Sweet Dreams Are Made of Cheese" design. It's a delightful way to add personality to your home. What we like. These are not your average kitchen towels. They bring a unique blend of humor and handmade quality, perfect for adding personality to your kitchen. If you love witty puns and appreciate artisan craftsmanship, these will surely bring a smile to your face during everyday tasks. What people say. It is my favorite material for kitchen towels, like flour sack material. Good linen material, print looks color-fast so far. Cute saying. It's a basic towel with screen printing on it. Number 4. Damn. The ultimate cleaning solution. Tired of stubborn messes? Discover Damn, the revolutionary cleaning solution designed to tackle any challenge. Its powerful formula cuts through grease and grime with ease. You'll be amazed at how quickly it works. Worry less about damage. This cleaner is safe to use on a variety of surfaces, from countertops to tiles. Enjoy a sparkling clean home with a refreshing scent. It leaves your space smelling as good as it looks. Experience the difference for yourself. Get your Damn today and say goodbye to tough cleaning jobs forever. What we like. Experience the classics like never before with this special anniversary release. It's designed for the discerning listener, offering a superior audio experience. If you're a dedicated fan seeking the best possible sound quality for your vinyl collection, this limited edition is a must-have. What people say. The vinyl is heavy and had no signs of bend on the record. The grooves are distinct but smooth and had no visible scratches or blemishes. The packaging was also free of any defects. Both LPs fit easily into and out the casing while maintaining a grip on the vinyl to prevent it from falling out. The sound quality is amazing. After listening through multiple times, there are no signs of static or popping noises. Each song transitions at an appropriate time with distinct markings on the vinyl, giving the listener the choice to choose a specific song to listen to from the set. Deep bass, heard in the digital version of the album, is mirrored on the vinyl with full sound and quality. Kendrick Lamar's Damn was one of the most awarded albums of 2017 and 2018. With this album, Lamar was awarded a Pulitzer Prize for Music, as well as a Grammy Award for Best Rap Album. Number 3. Damn Yankees Audiophile Limited Anniversary Edition. Experience the pinnacle of audio fidelity. This is not just a speaker, it's a testament to decades of sonic excellence. Meticulously engineered for the discerning listener. Every detail is perfected to deliver unparalleled sound. Celebrate a milestone with us. This exclusive edition marks a significant anniversary, making it a truly special piece. Prepare to be immersed. Its advanced acoustic design ensures every note is reproduced with breathtaking clarity and depth. This is more than an audio device, it's a collector's item. Own a part of our rich heritage. Elevate your auditory journey. Discover sound as the artist intended, with a richness and precision you've never heard before. What we like. Immerse yourself in a deeply evocative musical journey. This record is crafted for moments of quiet reflection and deep listening. If you appreciate music that sets a mood and tells a story without words, this album will resonate with your soul. What people say. Very quiet 180-gram vinyl. Sounds very good. Ted Nugent, Tommy Shaw, Jack Blades, and Michael Cartellone, now drummer for Lynyrd Skynyrd for 20+ years. Not a weak song to be found. The entire record is very constructed from a songwriting point of view. Good luck trying to get a song like Bad Reputation out of your head. These guys clearly knew what they were doing and did it well. Number 2. Dead Roots Stirring. Darkness gathers, and an ancient evil awakens. The very earth trembles with its malevolent power. Prepare yourself for the coming storm. Civilization teeters on the brink of collapse. Strange occurrences plague the land, hinting at a force beyond comprehension. Can humanity survive? Forgotten legends speak of a time when the dead walked. Now, those tales are becoming a terrifying reality. The past refuses to stay buried. Something ancient and terrible is stirring beneath the surface. Its influence spreads like a plague, corrupting all it touches. The world will never be the same. You must confront the encroaching dread. The fate of everything rests on your courage. Will you stand against the rising tide of despair? What we like. Get ready to be inspired and energized by powerful music. This album is packed with soaring melodies and positive vibes. If you're looking for tracks to lift your spirits and fuel your day, this is the perfect soundtrack for an optimistic outlook. What people say. It combines awesome vintage hard rock aesthetics with newer heavy rock metal instrumentation. Super heavy guitars, thundering bass, and kick-ass drums. The shortest song is around 9 minutes, so these babies are all epic jams with multiple movements in each song, so they definitely don't get boring. The guitar musicianship is stunning and the long, ambitious tracks sweep you away and keep you entranced from start to finish. Number 1. High Enough. Introducing High Enough, the ultimate solution for reaching your goals. Experience unparalleled performance and elevate your expectations. With High Enough, you can unlock your true capabilities. It's designed to empower you to achieve more than you ever thought possible. Crafted with precision and innovation, High Enough sets a new standard. Its superior design ensures optimal results every time. Discover what sets High Enough apart. Feel the quality and witness the transformative impact it can have on your endeavors. Choose High Enough and elevate your standards. It's more than just a product, it's a commitment to excellence. What we like. Relive the golden era of rock and roll with legendary tracks. This collection features timeless songs that defined a generation. If you're a fan of powerful vocals and unforgettable guitar riffs, this vinyl is an essential addition to your collection. What people say. Excellent harmonies, ripping guitar riffs and great songs make this a CD I reach for time and time again. As a longtime fan of Ted Nugent, Tommy Shaw, and Jack Blades, this CD showcases their multiple talents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.